Welcome to the website builder. Let's add a new page. Here you have a list of templates. You can scroll down and find a template that you love. And to preview it, just click on it and then scroll your mouse and you can preview it from top to bottom. But let's go back and just start with an empty page. So I'm going to click Create Empty Page, and now we got our empty page. Now this bar on the top left, this is what you're going to be using all the time. I like to go in and set my global styles first. This allows you to set the font that's going to be used, the font size, and even the color, so everything you drag onto the page is going to be styled the way that you love. Let's go ahead and start dragging in some elements or blocks onto the page. So we can come in here and drag in a heading. We can go ahead and drag in a button and start building our page right now. Just drag and drop everything onto the page, and when you drag something on, you can go ahead and go back to the global styles anytime, and you can always change your color palette after the fact, right? So feel free to switch it around. Let's go back to the original palette. Now, when you click on an element in the designer, you get this beautiful black bar. This is going to give you all the settings that you typically want to update. Let's go ahead and make this button have rounded corners. There we go. We can also make it larger. And if you don't want an element anytime, there's also a delete button on there. So that's great. Now on the top right, you're going to see this little black circle. This is going to be your section settings. This is where we can go do things like set a background image and just click on the image box right here. And we also have royalty-free image search. So you can type in a keyword to quickly find an image that you love. Just click it and drop it into your page. Or you can do like I did and just upload an image, click on it, and then use the focal point adjuster to focus on the right part of the image. That looks great. So the next thing we want to do is click that new section button, and let's start by using the first option, a blank section. This is another section of our website. We can also start dragging and dropping different things onto our page. So let's drag a ratings element. That looks great. We can also drag in a button. That looks great as well. And let's add a new section, and let's look at some of the other options we have in here. So we have saved sections. Saved sections are great because I can reuse sections that I've already designed across multiple pages, or I can use the built-in template blocks. So I can find a block that I want. I just click on it and it drops it into my page. And the best part is it uses my color palette. So everything was customized to match the look and feel of my site. And if you click on any of these, of course, you get custom options on here, such as changing the icon. We can come in and pop in a new icon. And let's go ahead and change the color of that icon too. So we got a color picker, and you always have your color palette on the right side of the color picker so you can get your website to look beautiful and match. So that's great, super easy way to build your site, but let's take a look at the page settings up here. In page settings, this is where you're going to give your page a name. You're going to set the slug, or what shows up in your browser's address bar. And you're also going to set things like the title, description, and keywords for search engine optimization. Now you have the ability to paste custom code in here on the left, but we're done right here. So let's go ahead and click save, and our page settings are saved. Now you always have the title up here on the middle so you know which page you're working on, and you can click the save draft button to save that page, and you always have a preview link as well so you can see how your page looks before you publish it. And anytime you want to add a new page, just come to the pages menu. We got a plus button there. We can launch the new page menu right here, and then we're back where we started. We can start with a new empty page and start building this as well. This was the quick web design 101 video. Hope you guys have fun designing your site, and watch the rest of the videos.